showcase talent of Ingraham's Jam. Every year, different activities in our school. For us, the individual growth of every student potential is the priority. So we are providing remedial classes to weak students to bloom into a complete flower.
School excursions add spice to our life. It gives us a temporary relief from our studies. After enjoying our day excursion, we felt fresh and took studies with renewed vigor. In the month of February, we went to Tracing Land. Pre-primary students went to the post office and dairy farm on Children's Day.
Benchmarks, individualistic and interactive learning through smart classes, child-centric education, put focus on holistic development and environment created with love and care.
As the aim of our school is to strive for excellence, therefore, in this session, we will put more emphasis on providing quality education to our kids. We thank you for your trust and belief in our Ingraham family, and we seek your cooperation and support in all endeavors of the school. Thank you.
Zigzag obstacles. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Amen. Hurrah. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Amen. Hurrah. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Amen. Hurrah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chakrasana, stance. Chakrasana, stance. Execute. Follow through. Dhanurasana. यदि विद्यार्थियों में बाल्यावस्था से ही इस प्रवृत्ति को विकसित किया जाए, ये आपके आने वाले वर्षों को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आपके सारे तंत्रों को सुचारू रूप से व्यवस्थित करेगा। ये संदेश लेकर के इस आसन को आपके सामने बच्चे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। प्लीज जोर से इनके लिए तालियां बजाइए। स्टांस, स्टांस, एग्जीक्यूट, फॉलो थ्रू, Shirshasana.
The meeting timings with the supervisor or with the principal. So you can fix an appointment on phone and you can visit the school. Kindly keep the kindly adhere to the school timing, which are the meeting time mentioned, because it's a big school. We are also very busy. So therefore. You have to fix the timing with us and confirm whether you will be able, whether we will be there available in the office to meet you all. The child is suffering from some problem and having slight fever. So let the child take rest at home. His recovery will be fast. जल्दी वो ठीक हो जाएगा और फिर आप उसको स्कूल भेजिए. During the time of examination also, it is observed, बच्चे को बुखार होता है, बहुत तबीयत खराब है, and during this season, say February, March, there is a lot of eye flu is spreading and chicken pox and all these diseases, contagious diseases are there, viral fever going on. But parents, they bring their children to school so that they can appear in exam. So it puts lot of stress on the child. Child health is more important than any exam which is scheduled. So please consult doctor and provide medical certificate for the same. And believe me, it is not going to affect your child promotion. So there is a fear in the mind of the parent कि मेरे बच्चे की पोजीशन नहीं आएगी. दूसरी बात कि उसका एग्जाम छूट गया तो पास नहीं होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's a very tender age for the child and it's just the beginning of the school. Here the position, percentage doesn't matter. What matters most is the health of the child. So please do not put your child through that stress and lot of anxiety. You also suffer from that, and child is also under pressure, suffering from high fever and not able to sit in the class properly, and the parents are bringing the children. So my humble request is, please do not send the child when he or she is not well. So give proper, balanced, nutritious diet to the children. It is very, very important. And for that also, school promotes to lunch timing. The fruit break is just for few minutes, say 5 to 10 minutes. But child is made to eat fruit. And then after 2 periods, there is a proper lunch break. So please do not forget to send fruits. I've seen that parents don't send fruits to the school. Don't give it to the child. So therefore, we would like to put emphasis on this practice of sending 2 tiffins, one which is having the cut fruits, and other is the proper lunch, which can be like the stuffed vegetable paratha or sprouts, something very nutritious. Do not send or give Maggi on regular basis. One day in a week you can do it, but don't make it a practice because it's easy for mother in the morning to cook and give that. We are the caretakers of these precious jewels which we have, so we have to take care in all respect. The school promotes moral education, and I think in Grand School priority is to build